have so much stuff to do.
No problem, ma'am. We
Not
open till 8 o'clock.
then come manager and me the ad for.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Good morning guys, welcome to another video. Stop it, I'm being so fake right now. I really don't have that much energy. It is now 7:10 to be exact. I'm on the road. We're heading to Honda this morning, working with approximately 2.5 hours of sleep. Guys, this week has been a very long one for me. The last couple of weeks have been very long. Me redecorating the house, have me on my toes, doing a whole bunch of stuff. Just busy every day. Then I get one day for rest. This week I haven't even done laundry. I haven't even done laundry yet. And today's Thursday, which means I go back to work tomorrow. Normally I would take Monday to just rest and edit. Edit's not on a story. So, anyways, I'm tired of my sleep. We're heading to Honda because there's a recall on my car. And all of this week, just like the last couple of weeks, I have been just cleaning up and redecorating. I am finished now with the basement. You guys should be seeing that video very soon. Sorted out TJ's room. His light fixture is the only thing that's left to go up. That's not something that I recorded though. That was just internal thing. I'll show you guys the floor in another video where that was actually done as well. I finally went yesterday and put back everything where it needs to be and kind of decorate and clean up. Finally, it looks like a laundry room. It hasn't looked like a laundry room for a long time, for like the last 2 years. Also, wash and scour the downstairs bathroom. It was a hot mess. And I kind of did a little bit of tweaking to that bathroom as well. So now it kind of looked like my bathroom, right? Because technically that's where guests should actually be using instead of coming all the way upstairs. So that kind of look like a bathroom. I smell like bathroom now. And so what I've been doing is that I've been using the nighttime. I'm missing nighttime until like 12 o'clock in the morning to edit and edit all the way up to like 2-3 o'clock. Now the first night I did this, that I went all the way up to 2:30, was actually Monday night. So Sunday I come home, start cleaning up Sunday. Monday morning I wake up, started the same thing. I started editing. I think I said this in another video as well. Guys, by the way, I tell you, my appointment is 7 o'clock and it's 7:13. Yeah, it is what it is. I'm tired. So, anyways, use Monday night for edit all the way up from that time. I actually edited from 10 o'clock, go all the way up to 2:30. And when I tell you for some reason my computer just like a problem and answer information is not saving, the whole of the file is corrupt and stuff like that. And so I left everything downstairs because in my office. Up asleep. Keep it in mind, so Tuesday, the furniture were supposed to be delivered on Tuesday morning between 8:35 to like 12 o'clock, and then choose the earliest time, of course. And the guy that the floor also was supposed to come back and tweak some stuff, fine tune some stuff for it to be up to my standard. All of this is supposed to be done Tuesday morning. It's supposed to come 8 o'clock. The delivery truck said it might come 8:35. And when I tell you that, I jumped up 15 minutes to 9, realized the time. Then we get a call from the furniture place, say, oh, they're on their way. They should be there in 10 minutes. Place not clean out yet. No running there for them, put your stuff them. So you have to watch that video to see. It was crazy, right? So that's my week. And then again, before yesterday, I was up again cleaning up, doing all that from much o'clock. I had a class, was not able to log on. I feel like I got to talk to me. I was not able to go into my computer, and I just used that opportunity to do what I need to do, and then come back and cook and all them good things there. So like I'm having a long week when I tell you, and tomorrow is a long weekend again because I have work. what it is. For today's agenda, I have this service recall things to go do at Honda. I have hairdresser to go at 11:30. I have some, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have some returns to do again. I also have to go purchase a mirror for teacher's door up at Walmart. And then I also have, because last night Tristan light fixture break for his fan, so I ordered that already over by Home Depot, so I need to go pick that up as well. Let's see how long I'm gonna put on. I also want to swing by Family Dollar today to get some additional artificial plants, some redecorating. So I will decor that I'm doing, because I had to like use some of the stuff that I have last night, so I need to put them back. So yeah. So now I'm heading to, that's basically the day, and more to spend time because you know some love company. I already don't, but I love your company. So let's see what time we can actually reach a Honda today. Alright? So I'll see you when I get there. Not looking good. I have so much stuff to do on the road, and then my time say it's just like 3 hours for one. I have so much stuff to do. 3 hours for one, and the other one might take 2 hours. Like, we can't do this. Any luck?
Did you want to reschedule it?
Yeah, let's do that. When would be the best time that you guys have? Alright guys, so she had gone to double check. Hold on. Alright, so guys, I left. They double checked to see if they had any loaner. She checked with her boss, and they had not. Can't leave the car for the whole day. This is technically they estimate it to be the whole day based on the recalls that has to be done on it. I'm not having time there. I don't have too much stuff to be done today. Last time I did a couple recalls here, I was able to actually just sit and wait for like 1 hour or so. That's what I thought was gonna happen today. The other option was for them to drop me home. If they drop me home, I'm stranded. I don't have no other car to drive. So that's a no-no. Try gonna work. That wasn't gonna happen. So I rescheduled for next week, Tuesday, and then book up on Monday. Next week, Tuesday, I don't really have nothing to do. So I scheduled it for that day. So now we're just gonna use the opportunity to get everything that we need to get. So I'm gonna go by straight to Family Dollar right now. Then I'm gonna have to check to see if Home Depot is ready. If not, we go straight up to Whole Foods, go to Walmart, come back home depending on the time. Depending on the time, if it's getting late, I may just go straight to the hairdresser and then come home. That was a waste. Anyways, I'll see you when I'm at Family Dollar. Okay. So guys, I am here. But them lock. They're not open yet. We're early. What time is it? It's now 15 minutes to 8. So let's wait a little bit. And I still have no rush right now. This is still on time. It's easy. I'm actually at the original Family Dollar that I normally go to. So this is my Family Dollar spot, my original spot, right? That I would normally go to back in the day. And then they opened up the one that was actually closer to me, my location. So I started going there. But I can't reach over there right now. In any case, they don't really have a lot of stuff. I feel like this branch has more variety. So I haven't been here in a good while. I think the last time I've been here was at Easter. I want to say Easter, I'm not sure. But I haven't been here in a while. So we're gonna check it out to see if they have anything different in here. Mostly some cheap home decor type thing. Friday are the plants. Because they normally have like those $3 plants that really look cute. And on Amazon I have them for like $8, $10, $25. Walmart, I saw the same little cute plants up there, and they want like 20 something dollars for it. So Amazon never, Family Dollar never failed me yet. They always have some little cute stuff that you can get ASAP. So I want to see how long they're gonna take to open. I think they open at 8 o'clock. I think it's 8 o'clock. But my eyes are tired. I really want to sleep. I want to sleep so bad. But yeah, I'll let you know what happened. There was something else I wanted to say to you guys, but I can't remember what it is now. I'm so tired. But yeah, guys, me in a car all along. Them open around 10 minutes ago. When I was talking to you guys, they didn't open, they actually open up. So let's go check out what they have inside there. No? Oh, for some reason, no, like I was in the car and I'm like, oh my god, they're open and I'm here sitting because the rails went up. And I'm like,
What's the problem, ma'am? We
No.
don't open till 8 o'clock.
I realized that.
Oh, okay.
For some reason, I saw the rail going up, so I realized that you guys were still closed. Right?
She said, good morning, ma'am. What's the problem?
No, what's the problem, man?
Oh, shit.
They're not open, guys. You know, things say, oh, no, fat man, oh, she come out aggressive. So the barrier thing, the gate went up, but they're actually inside. So they actually open at 8 o'clock. So, yeah. Woman out there said, she come out and said, what is the problem, ma'am? Someone said there's no problem. I thought you guys were open. I saw the rails up. She's like, we got 8 minutes. So the other woman to me said, did she say good morning or did she say what's wrong? And someone tell her, she said she better open at 8 o'clock or else I'm gonna call in corporate. Disrespectful. But anyways, no problem right now. I'm too tired for cuss, so I'm very polite this morning. But yeah, the rails, when I came, the rails were down, or the shutter, it was down. So I just figured that I'm here talking to y'all and they open and I didn't realize. So they actually open at 8 o'clock. So I'll continue to wait. All right, let's try this again, people. 8:02 and open yet.
Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You can take me there tonight. Whoa.
Let's see, $3.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
is all I have, guys.
Feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never showed. They're all the things I want to know. Secret stars.
Okay, so this is all I got, as well as in the bag. Am I gonna use all these plants? Maybe not, but at least we have them because I needed them yesterday when I was actually doing some stuff. I don't know about this. Hold on, so talk so long.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Alright guys, so you saw what I got. I got a lot of plants. And then I gotta just air freshener for the car. At least finish and it come out. So I am heading now to Whole Foods to return these. And then after Whole Foods, I'm gonna go to Walmart. See ya guys, Family Dollar, they're open for 5 minutes after 8, right? I don't want to say don't call corporate. I go out there around 2 minutes after 8. When she said me come out, she said, oh, the door is open. And I said, no, it's still locked. She come out to stop, bang the door. But then traffic capture. Me stop. I start. Ooh, don't drop, don't break, please don't break. I started recording and I stopped, you know. But anyways, she stopped banging the door and she said she gonna call corporate. She started calling the office. She started calling inside. They don't know pick up. She keep on a knock. When she go in, I don't know what she do. Me going after her. But then when I was in the back trying to get the plans, could I hear the employee, the same one, come out, gonna ask me about one problem. I could hear her saying, she not make she come spot her show 5 minutes late and she look miserable and and whatever. That's why whatever I like ugly and whatever. But she was already gone, so she got to go do what she want to do. I saw that she said, and they come like the woman there, then crew manager and me the ad for. Anywho, the other lady that came out and opened the door, she was the one who cashed me. She was really nice. Customer service was okay with her. We had no problem with her. She was the one who told me I didn't have to take everything out, just to cut one at each so she can get it the different styles. How many indicators are going right? What is wrong with you though? Alright guys, let's go to, oh my god, I look pretty in here. My face and fur looks so beat up. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, why every time, like all of the editing on me I do from one day, I realize that I have the music blasting in my background and it making it so difficult to edit. I don't know if you watched this one yet, because the one I'm editing, I'm trying to actually go home and see if I can get this posted this evening, right? But I've been trying to edit this video for so long and I just know say don't say copyright because the music I play for hours in this video, which is like so demotivating and disappointing because you don't know how long it is to really capture some content, and then when you try to edit it and just now work out how you want it to work out, and you have to take out all the information that you were trying to give in the first place, it's really sad. So kind of messed with my mind yesterday. So you guys should be seeing that video before you see this anyway. So hopefully I appreciate to seeing me. Oh, I did check Home Depot. Stuff wasn't ready yet. They said that they would message me when they're ready. You know what? Let me check. Here I'm actually at Whole Foods returning this stuff. I was really early, but the customer service representative was really nice to allow me to go through anyway. So yeah. Alright guys, it's now 6 minutes after 9. I've already gone to Amazon. I dropped off 3 packages. I dropped off the decorative tray, the placement mats. Only because if you watch my video, maybe you don't watch it yet. I don't know if you watch it. But furniture shopping, I had purchased a dining table set with 6 chairs, but I have increased that to 8. So the placement mats that I bought was like a set of 6, and so I had to add that now to 8. So I exchanged that to get a new one. And then the other thing that I returned was, you guys saw this. There is when I did the yard makeover, I had a light at the front, like those hanging lantern lights. One of them stopped working, so I returned those as well. So I don't have anything at the front of the yard anymore. So yeah, so right now we're actually in Amazon. Not in Amazon, we're in Walmart. And I'm trying to find the mirrors over the door, hanging mirrors. for TJ. So let's see if I can find that. So we have bedding. Hi, excuse me, good morning. Where would you find the wall mirrors, the over the door mirrors?
Mirrors are back half H47, 48.
47. Thank you
Yep.
so much. 47, 48. Let's see. So that means we're going all the way down the back here. May I answer that? We know which button 47, not 48. 35. Okay, here we go. Back 47, 48. Here we go. Floor mirrors. This is me. Alright, so let's see. Freestanding. We want no freestanding. We want the hangs over door. Okay. So I have the white ones here. And I'm looking for I'm gonna mash up. This is how they have for over the door. They look broken. The white ones them look okay, but I'm looking for like, what is this? Like a grayish look. I don't like how them look. If it's just want to get them just scotch up so for them just drop on broke. These ones are the ones that I want. So like, look at them. Guys, they're all broken, so I'm not gonna do that. Sorry.
Okay.
It's a waste of time coming up here. I was gonna look on more decors, but I refuse to buy anything else. So. All right, guys. So that was a waste of time. Been in the car for a minute now, trying to see if I could actually get it online. So all the ones that I've seen, as you can see, they're all broken. Even though the online is saying that it's in the store, they're saying that they're going to be getting some shipments tonight, so perhaps it's a part of it. But when you try to purchase it online to pick it up, you have to have a limit, and I'm trying not to buy anything that I don't want. But in any case, I'm like, all right, let me just get some school supplies. So not school supply, like some undershirts and stuff for Tavania. You know what, I could actually get undershirt for Teacher Tristan, so think about that. But like, I was always to come all the way up here, no, for my drive to come up here, so, and I really want to pee. I want to pee so bad. While I was actually in the car, see if I could actually do the purchase online, I just received the message that the item at Home Depot is actually ready. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to go home, use the bathroom, get something to eat real quick, and then I'm not going to leave again until it's time for me to go to my hair appointment, because it doesn't make no sense. So when I'm leaving my hair appointment, then I will actually just grab the Home Depot stuff, go straight home. That's where we're at right now. So I'm heading home, so I'll see you then. Hey guys, so I'm catching you guys up. I went home, eat something, did a couple things around the house, went to the hairdresser. I'm coming from the hairdresser right now. Got Patsy from Golden Cross. And I'm literally like 2 minutes away from Home Depot to grab the light fixture. Spoke to the electrician. He should be coming today to analyze to see what's going on, see if he needs anything, and he should, if everything looks good, he should be able to come and put up. Oh, I'm gonna tell you something what happened. Yesterday, it's about Tristan's light. Let's see on this. Tristan's light literally fell down. His fan and everything. Wire holding it up. So I went to fix it, and it just come right out in my hand. Broke the lamp part of it. So that's why I'm at Home Depot collecting a new one. Try them pick up spot there. So we can find a pick up curb stop. The electrician is coming to get that fixed. Not sure if I can curb pick up location. Pick up. I am here to pick that up. The electrician is supposed to come by this evening, analyze what's going on, if they need anything extra, stuff like that, and then come by tomorrow. Can't do any for this. So I'm here. I'm gonna see like they have parking curb something. Road zone on me. I'm gonna see nothing like that. So let me put in on some there and see what they tell me say. Alright guys, so I'm here waiting. I think I did something wrong. Cause I finally find the pickup area. But I couldn't find it before, so I put that. I was not able to find anything. I need to pull up somewhere. I'm gonna try to pull up. So I find a parking spot and come park up here. We're gonna see nobody come out. I know I'm about to get cold. I can't eat cold patty. Not for lunch fun patty meantime. I don't know what to patty. I'm not trying to spicy. Them cold by the time them reach out here. Oh Jesus. I'm not going to tell me something I drop down. It's soft. Not enough crunch to it. I hate patty like that. Where's the crunch? I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so then just come. Like they said that they didn't go off. So I'm out here like 15 minutes waiting, eat off the patty and all these things. And I had to end up calling them for them to come out here. So I finally got it. So this is the lamp, the lighting set. Turn it upside down. They're all dirty. Ew. So dirty. Look at that. So dirty. So this is it. It's gonna replace what is in Tristan's room right now. Alright. But I don't have to scan anything that's supposed to be another finish and then just come and give it to me. If anybody could have just take it. But yeah, that is the vlog, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe, please go ahead and do so. And until later, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.